Camera radio, folks! What do we have here? Got a Hyundai Elantra. Let's take a look at it. Nothing much to look at. It's got your beautiful Northeast rust. Think it's an Elantra there. You see the trace Elantra there. Not one of my favorite cars in the world. Let's see the mileage. What's it got on it? We got a $122. That's respectable. She's got the power windows. Let's see how it redlines. Right up to 7 G's, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta respect that, don't you? Sounds a little like a hot rod. Let me show you why, folks. Hold on. Reason it sounds like that, because of the exhaust. Somebody cut it out. I don't know if they robbed it from the guy while he had it parked in his yard, but it happens. Now, a lot of you neutral droppers out there had a request. They wanted to see a fire extinguisher shot into the intake. Now, I opened it up, the air cleaner here. We got the intake hole right there. Right into the intake, right into the motor, right into the cylinders, and right out the exhaust. Now, normally it would shoot out the back, but it's going to be coming out of there, because that's where the exhaust is coming out of it. It stinks. So, we'll be right back with a fire extinguisher, folks. So here we have it, folks. Brand new fire extinguisher from Kitty. All right? Gonna pop it out of the old box. The old box. You like that, huh? Hold on. Hold on, folks. Gotta pull the old pin out. There we go. We snap the old case of emergency thing. Gotta pop this off. I'm gonna try not to use the whole thing in case we actually do have an emergency, which we seem to be having a lot lately. Make sure she works. Hold on, folks. Hold on. I'm doing this myself, by the way. Yeah, she works. She works, folks. Now, cameraman's gonna have stuntman come out and help out a little bit. What I need you to do is throttle this thing. All right? You're gonna throttle it. Wake on up. I wasn't sleeping. You're gonna throttle it while I shoot this fire extinguisher into the intake for everybody. I wasn't sleeping. I was on the intranet. Yeah, okay. He was sleeping, folks. We all know it. Can lie to your friends at school. Don't lie to me. All right. Now, up. Oh, we don't want that to happen now, do we? Now, being that I'm a one-handed guy right now, because Junkman's away with the family, can't blame him, he's enjoying himself, relaxing. What we're gonna do is, folks, we got the old fire extinguisher right into the intake. She's gonna go in there and hopefully come out there. So all right, hold on. We'll see how this goes, folks. I got my fingers crossed. All right, here goes nothing. Wow, he looks cool as hell, doesn't he, folks?
I just found these in the car. I think I'm gonna wear them.
I like them. They look good. They look like Brad Pitt in Fight Club. Hold on a minute. You know what? He wasn't getting a lot of sleep. Hold on. On 3, rev it up. All right, everyone. Like I said, the fingers are crossed. That's the exhaust where it should come out. It's gonna go into there, to the intake with the hose in there, and we'll see what happens. All right, take it up. You're gonna take it up to about a respectable 4,000, because this thing goes up to 7,000 like it's nothing. Ah, what the hell? Take it up to 7 grand. Why not, right, folks? All right, on 3, 1. Oh, that was a failure. It blew up right away. I think you seized it up. Now look what you did.
No. I locked the motor. Holy shit.
Guys, not for nothing. She was redlined, right? Redlined. And of course, like the cameraman I am, the true professional, I stayed with it. You heard it, $7 grand. I hit it, look. Poof, into the intake. And she came out the exhaust right there. You see the residue? Look at it all over the ground. It was quick. It happened fast. You see it on the alternator, right there on the shield. But there you have it, folks. And as you can hear, Stuntman's trying to start her up. See? And I'm gonna make a pretty good guess.
I'm gonna guess there's a neutral dropper out there that owes us a motor.
Put in the comments if you suggested this, and then send us 1,000 for this motor. We're just kidding. We don't care. It's all for science, folks. It's all for science. We're even by a school here and everything. Now, I'm gonna make a good guess that fire extinguishers put out fires, okay? And what has to happen inside an engine in order for it to run? There has to be an explosion, right? And it ain't gonna explode when you got fire extinguisher powder all over the inside of the motor. But it had to be done. I think we figured out that you should never do that. And this is why. Because you blow the motor.
We didn't blow a tranny.
We would never do that. I don't think we've ever blown a tranny on this channel. Only motors.
We only blow motors. Believe me, we only blow motors.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, folks. Another successful experiment here on Neutral Drop. Going all the way.